Hello everyone, welcome to Nandini Creative Ideas.
In this video, we are going to make a ceramic cone. So let's get started. For ceramic cone, you can use talcum powder or clay powder. Here I am using a talcum powder. Then I am adding some amount of Fevicol in talcum powder. Now we are going to make a smooth paste of this. Mix it well. Now we are taking this cone and fill this cone with this paste. Here I am adding little bit of acrylic blue color in this paste. Here you can take any of your favorite color. Mix it properly to get smooth and finished color. Here my two ceramic cones are ready, that is white and blue.
Here we go.
Thanks for watching. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Till then, stay tuned with us.